guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I got something new. I've been working on a socket organizers because as you can see, I got my new toolbox, and all my sockets are all thrown randomly. I've been using this from Harbor Freight, and I'm not happy with it. I had to change and get something else. So I went online and I looked and looked and looked, and there's of course Harbor Freight. They sell plastic ones for like $19 a piece or something, and I thought that was kind of too expensive for me, at least. So I went online and I checked it, and I found something on eBay, which I'll post up here, the picture and the link. And I decided to buy it. So here it is. And of course I already started mounting them. So it was $15.86 for a set of 6, right? And I was like, it's probably one of those cheap Chinese things. So I went and I bought it, and this is the brand Horusdy, whatever. If you remove this and if you look at it, it's actually a really strong plastic. It will bend, right? But it will not break. And I was like, damn. So my other concern was how well these will sit and how hard is it to take it off, because as many of you know, Harbor Freight, this thing, for example, this one is kind of easier, but let me show you something. This one from Quinn, there's like no freaking way to take this thing off. I don't know if I'm doing it wrong or what, but I have to use, every time I do it, I have to use a screwdriver to pry it off. It just, oh my god. So yeah, I was like, dude, this has to change. Harbor Freight has to step up the game and do something about it. But anyway, it's a cheap tools, you know, you can't get everything. But look at that. It's not falling off, but yet when you pull it with 2 fingers, look. Beautiful. It just works like, it's beautiful. So yeah, I would really suggest this thing. Like I said, it was extremely cheap. You can even put it and bolt it on the wall or something. You get 2 of each, right? You get 2 of 1/2 inch, 2 of 3/8, and 2 of 1/4 inch as well. They all have the same sturdy line that holds them. They all have this little release thing, sorry, right there. And I haven't counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 per rail. Okay, so yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys today. It was I think a really good buy. I will purchase a Harbor Freight one just to compare it, just to see what's the difference. This one I am extremely happy the way it holds. the way it's just it's a sturdy thing. It's done right. You know, yet it's cheap. You know, I bet you it's probably made in China, but it's made with a really good quality. Really happy with that. So yeah, I would really suggest this. If you're looking for, like me, if you're looking for something to organize your sockets, this is really nice thing. I like it. I love it. And yeah, I will be also purchasing one of those that you just slide the socket on and you just take it off, to check them out. But anyway, make sure you follow me on Instagram. It's Poor Man's Car Garage. Check me on the YouTube as well. Make sure you subscribe, share, and please put down comments if you need something, if you need to ask, or if you have some questions regarding this or something else. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Laters.